Hello guys, today I'm going to change the kitchen faucet. We're going to replace this old one by a new one from Grohe. Here's the new one. It's a grohe Euro Eco kitchen faucet. And the tools we will need is some wrenches and some and my vacuum set. You see now, this is the cold water and this is the hot water. So we have to close one shell valve because you see two valves over here. So you have one cold water and one hot water. Normally at the right side it's the cold water and at the left side it's the hot water. And we will check this by closing one valve, one shell valve. So it's closed, and now we can see if we open the hot water, there will be no water coming out of the kitchen faucet, and the cold water is still open. So now we know that the right side is the cold water and the left side is the hot water. A simple thing to do is you can mark the cold water side or the hot water side with blue or red tape. So I have only blue tape, so I will mark the right side with the blue tape, so I know in the next time the right side is the cold water. So I marked the right side with a blue tape, so I know that's the cold side. Now, because we want to change the kitchen faucet, we have to close both the shell valves. So I will close this shell valve also. So now I have closed both the shell valves. At the right side the cold water and at the left side the hot water. Now you can open the kitchen faucet. And you see it's still leaking a little bit. So I will close the valve a little bit more. Now the leaking stopped, so we can loosen these two parts, and then we need to loosen that up, and we can change the old kitchen faucet by the new one. Loosening this one. A little bit of water leaking out. So that's the first one out, that's the cold water, and now we're going to do the hot water. That's also out, and now we pull it out. Now we have to make that loose. Now we're going to remove the old kitchen faucet. You put your thing on it. You can turn it. Now I think it's end loose. So now we have to do the two lines together, and we can take it out upside on the upside. So I've two the lines together, and now we can take the kitchen faucet out. So here you see the old kitchen faucet. I've cut lines here because this one was too thick to go to the little hole here. And we see the new grohe kitchen faucet we will place right now. In the manual you can see how we are going to work. Because first upside we have the kitchen faucet and the gasket, and then we place it into the hole there, and then on the beneath side we need to place first this plastic tool, then another gasket, and then this part to fasten the kitchen faucet, and then we have to make it all fast with this part. You see which tools we have to need. This one is a 13, and to close these lines it's 19. Here you see it, 19 millimeter and 13 millimeter. So we put the gasket over the lines. Now we can place it directly up here. So you have to see that the gasket is in this part. And then so be it, we have to see, because the kitchen faucet is only can move from here to here, that it's in the middle, in the center. We'll take the manual with us. So the first part we have to move up is this one, and then the gasket beneath it, and then this part. So it will be this combination, and then that to fasten it up. So now you see turned it up this, and now we're going to see upstairs with the kitchen faucet. The casket is good positioned, that's a good one. And now we have to see also how we can turn it. So. Kitchen faucet is placed well, so to this side, maybe a little bit more to there, so, and we will that's a good one. Okay. Now we can fasten it up. That's a good one. Now we can connect two lines over here. So, like I've said, the right side, it's normally the cold side. So we see this one we have to connect here with the cold water side. The cold water is connected. And now the hot water we have to connect also. So we'll place that connection over there. So now we can open two shell valves over here and here, and the work is done. So now our new kitchen casket. It's working fine. Thanks for watching, guys.